Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by acting now. Wash and trim chilies, split larger ones to expose seeds for faster pickling. While jars sterilize for 10 minutes, combine 1 cup vinegar and 1 cup water with 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar, bring to a simmer to dissolve solids. Once brine simmers, pack chilies into hot jars tightly but without crushing. Make sure to add aromatics, garlic clove or bay leaf, so flavor infuses during cooling. Next, you arrange and secure the jars. Pack chilies upright, leaving 1/2 inch headspace so brine can circulate. Pour the boiling brine directly over the chilies to immediately blanch and seal flavors. Tap jars or use a non-metallic tool to release trapped air pockets. Wipe rims dry, apply lids finger-tight to allow venting during processing, and process in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes if you need shelf stability. Once done, cool jars. Finally, you finish by letting jars cool at room temperature. Listen for the satisfying pop. After 12 to 24 hours, press lids to confirm a firm seal. If they depress, refrigerate and use first. Label jars with the date and store in a cool, dark place. Once opened, keep refrigerated. If you see unexpected cloudiness, persistent fizzing, or an off smell, trust your senses. Refrigerate immediately and discard if any doubt remains, because safety trumps salvaging appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.